Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon because it will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So today we are going to be making Nigerian beans and plantain. I mean, this is the most cooked food in my house. When I was growing up, my mama cooked that food a lot. Beans is either beans and yam, beans and potato, beans and rice. So it's all about beans. So yes, we are going to be making beans and plantain. I hope you stick around and see how we made it. It's going to be a little bit different from the usual old Nigerian beans recipe. Anyway guys, I am going to take you guys over there and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Come on board, come on board, come on board. Yeah. Guys, this is our ingredients for today. So I have plantain, I have Maggi, I have this Nigerian mixed spice. This spice is so good. I have curry, thyme, jollof chicken, salt, crayfish, Nigerian dry chili is in here. I have this long sweet pepper with onions, red and white onions, and over here is another white onions, and I have oil, and here is my beans. So I have been soaking my beans now for a while. I need to wash it out and put it in the pot. In the typical Nigerian beans, we don't use this oil, we use red oil. But I am going to be blending this and frying it with this oil. So I might not be using red oil in this recipe, but usually we use red oil to cook beans. But I noticed that my kids love it when I cook it this way than when I cook it with red oil. So guys, I am done washing my beans. I am going to add the beans inside the pot. So I am going to put water in my beans. So now I am going to cover and cook my beans until it's getting a bit soft, and this can take maybe 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, while I have put the beans to cook, I have also blended my onions and my red sweet pepper. I'm going to put it in there and let it start boiling. So guys, this sweet pepper and onions has dried, so I'm going to be taking it out so I can start frying that. So we come over to our beans guys. I'm going to be adding water in the beans because there's no water in it and it's still a bit hard. I will add more water. So I cover and we'll keep cooking our beans until our beans get a bit soft. So I've added my oil, my vegetable oil, and I'm gonna leave it to get hot. So guys, I'm going to add my onions. So guys, we are going to add our mixed sweet pepper. Mix. So I'm going to fry that for about 10 minutes. So guys, while we are frying our mixed pepper, we are going to add our plantain because this beans is getting soft. You don't want it to be too soft before you add your plantain. So we are going to add our plantain in there. And also we are going to add a little bit of water. So we are going to add a little bit of water, and we will cover and keep cooking. So over to our mixed pepper. I am done frying it for 10 minutes. We're going to start adding our seasoning in there. So I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add curry. I'm going to add mixed spice, and I'm going to add my jollof chicken seasoning as well. Okay, now we mix. Okay, we'll leave that for another 2 minutes and I will off that stove. Sorry, I want to add a little bit of paprika just to bring out the color of the beans a bit. So you mix. So guys, it is time to start adding our fried mixed sweet peppers. So I've added that in there. Okay guys, after adding that, I'm going to add crayfish. So I added 3 spoons of crayfish. I'm going to add salt. Going to add Maggi. So I'm adding the Maggi. I added 3 Maggi, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the Nigerian dry chili. Oh yeah, I want to rinse this pan and put it in there. Okay, so now we cover and we keep cooking the beans. Give these beans another 10 to 15 minutes and these beans will be ready. So guys, after 10 to 15 minutes, our beans is ready, guys. Our beans is ready. And it's tasting so yummy and so delicious, guys. Tasting so yummy. Try this recipe and tell me what you think about it, guys. It is so juicy. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. This looks absolutely yummy, absolutely delicious, and it tastes so delish, guys. You need to give this recipe a try. It is so tasty. So yeah, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. You know, take a moment, take a break, and give your girl a thumbs up. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. This beans and plantain is absolutely yummy and tasty. It is so juicy. So yeah, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe. Stay tuned. Press on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. And guys, yeah, you know what is coming up next? You know what is coming up next? I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.